How to fix Cash App NFC tag detected. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are constantly getting the notification that your Cash App NFC tag is detected, then in this video, I will guide you on how you can fix this issue. I'm going to show you two ways on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you can do is simply remove your card from your phone case or stop holding your card in the same hand as your phone. This is a very simple yet effective trick, so you might want to try this. However, if this case does not work for you, then I'm going to show you one more way on how you can fix this. You want to now head over to your settings. There, you want to tap on the Connections option or Connected Devices option. Once you tap on this option, you will find the list of all the connections including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC. Now, you want to tap and select the NFC option. If it is toggled on, you simply want to toggle off that button. So if you find the Use NFC option, toggle that button off. Once you do that, you will no longer receive the notification that says NFC tag detected. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.